Hi everybody, I'm Shreyas from MDAV Public School Hyderabad, and today I'm going to do this project on MS PowerPoint. And the topic given here, as you can see, is theme plan for school's annual fest. And here are some instruction given. And so first I'll get started with the instruction, then I'll go with the features. So in the first instruction is to create a presentation where you'll show how the theme can be implemented in the various activities of the fest like games, decoration and hoarding. So I've, I've already created the presentation. Uh, I've created a presentation of 6 slides. So after I read the instruction, I'll be showing the slideshow. Now going with the next one. Create various slides describing the implementation of the theme in those activities. So as I've told you, I've already created the presentation. Now I'll get started with the slideshow. So in order to start from beginning, you have to click this icon here, or you can click F5. So I'm clicking this. So and my theme is Dream Green, which is related to the topic Save Environment. So my theme is Dream Green and organized and presented by DAV Public School. Now going with the next one, I've used transition here. So the subtopic is our idea. Dream Green is an initiative taken by the students of DAV Public School in order to make this world greener and conserve our environment. The theme for this annual fest is the same. So enjoy planting and make this world a better place to live in. So this is our idea, and here I've given a shape and I've given a tagline, enjoy planting. Now going with the next one. So as it was given in the instruction, I've given the same 3 activities, that is games, decoration, hoardings. And now I'll get started with the game first. So I've given 3 games, planned per minute. So this is a game where each student will get a chance to plant per minute, and prizes will be given who plants the most number of seeds per minute. And the next one is an activity, that is paper bag making. This is an activity in which students can make bags using paper. And the next activity and a game also is wow. I've given so the meaning of wow is ways to wonder, in which students will reuse the things like plastic, steel and all those to make all wonderful things using it. Now going with the next one, that is decoration. So I've given 3 decoration ideas. So in the first one is green plants. So the entire school can install green plants everywhere, so that it will make the school more attractive, and it is also eco-friendly instead of using all those silk and plastic ribbons. And the next one is stage decoration with flowers. So as the name says, the stage will be decorated with flowers. And the next one is reusing plastic for decoration. So instead of using all those ribbons and all those, we can just use plastic and make it into a good form, and we can use it for decoration. Now going with the next one, that is hoardings. So the first one is slogans on environment. We can keep all the banners and advertisements and hoardings, and we can also give banners to everyone on slogans on environment. So it will spread awareness among people to conserve our environment. And the next one is promoting the event Dream Green. So all these games and decorations and in with the help of providing these banners, it will promote the event Dream Green, and people can start to take an initiative in conserving this environment to to make the world a better place to live in. Now these are the 3 activities I made, and all these are related with environment as it is said to do in the instruction. Now going with the next slide. The next slide is eco chart, and here I have inserted a Smartart graphic. So as we all know, this is the three R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, which which takes part in the environment conservation, and it also gives an idea to all the people to conserve an environment. So the three R's is in the form of Smartart Graphic: reduce, reuse, recycle. Now going with the next one. Uh, the next one is first complement, and all the students will be given uh, snacks and eco-friendly gifts like a decorated pot and all those, and each student and their family will get a sapling for free. So all these things are eco-friendly and it won't harm the environment in any way. So these are the first compliments, and the last slide is thank you, as we all know. So so here is the thank you I've given, and now I'll get started with the features. I'll go back to the first slide again. Now going with the features, add themes and templates. Mm, I've also used a template, as you can see. So in order to use a template, you have to click file, and now currently I'll show you the templates. So here are so many templates you can use, and for this I've used this template, even plan with design. As you can see, it's the same, and I've formatted a bit to make it green, as the topic says dream green. So I've also used a template. Now going with the next one, images. I've added so many images also. Like in this slide, I've added an image here of a person catching a plant, and here I've added three images. So in order to insert an image, you can click insert here, and in the images group you can select pictures from your computer, and you can also select online pictures, or you can even take a screenshot, or you can just copy paste from a search engine. So in this case I've used these both options, pictures and online pictures. So I've inserted so many pictures as it is set to do in the feature. Now going with the next one, shape. I've added a shape in the second slide. So here you can see this is the shape of an arrow. So in order to insert a shape, in the home tab in the drawing group, you can just find some shapes here. There are so many shapes, and you can just choose a shape you want, or you can go to insert, and here in the illustration group you can click shape, and you'll find the same box available, and you can choose the shape you want. So I've inserted a shape here. So I've completed this feature also, and the next one is Smartart Graphics. uh, I did Smartart Graphics also in the fourth slide. As you can see, this is a Smartart graphic. So in order to insert a Smartart graphic, you have to click the insert tab, and in the illustration group just beside the shapes option you have to click smart art, and you have to choose the smart art you want. In this case I've used the cycle one. I've used this one here, so I've used the smart art graphic option also. Now going with the next one, add transition. So when I showed you in my slideshow, I've added transition for each and every slide. So in order to add a transition, in this case I've used this origami. It's in the form of a bird, so you can choose any transition you want. For example, if I want honeycomb, it will give me a transition like this. So I've used transition also, as I showed you in the slideshow. Now going with the next one, apply animation to the slides. uh, it's the same way that I've showed you all the animations in the slideshow. I've done so many animation and you can view it in the slideshow. So in order to insert an animation, you have to click animations tab and you have to select the text or the shape you want to animate, and you can choose your desired animation from here. So now it is in the float animation option, and so I can also choose random bars. As you can see, it will automatically change to random bars, so you can view the animation and the transition done in the slideshow which I showed you before. Now I've completed all the tasks and all the features, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.